We have a majority. We have to use it. We have to change America. That's the promise that President Obama made. We have to keep it. If I have to choose between my job and saving the lives of 44,000 Americans a year, I know what my decision is.
That was Congressman Alan Grayson leading off the program tonight here on The Ed Show. He's not backing off his comments, and he's not apologizing for them. Joining me now is Republican Congressman from California, Brian Bilbray. Congressman, you know, if you were to go to the House floor and give your opinion and not break any rules, why would anybody expect an apology? Where is he out of bounds on this deal?
Well, first of all, Ed, remember, members of Congress on the floor have special protection under the Constitution. Even the freedom of press doesn't protect you from litigation and slander, but we are protected on the floor. And with that special right comes a special responsibility. And I think, look, Alan knew he was going over the top whenever he drafted up his documents. He knew he wanted to push the button, and basically he got what he wanted. He wanted to push the envelope far beyond what I know that anybody would have to say, that a congressman saying today that there's a Holocaust occurring in America, on American soil today, is going over the limit. I think anyone would agree he went over that line. There's a lot of times it goes over the line, but those of us in Congress got to remember, with the special rights comes some responsibilities.
Okay, now, saying he's going over the line, that clearly is a judgment call, is it not? I mean, there's no rules or anything. I mean, he didn't slander anybody. He was talking about a policy. He gave his opinion is what he did. So these rules are basically, hey, in the eyes of the beholder, are they not?
There's a rule of basically called common decency, and to even insult the victims of the Holocaust with an example in the United States that you say is comparable is something that I think that people around the country are going to be upset about, no matter what your party affiliation.
Does he
so
deserve?
I think that when we get to that,
and the punchback from the NRCC is they're saying that he's unstable. Does he deserve that? We checked his past. There's nothing in his past that would even in any way, shape, or form lead us to believe that he's not a stable guy. What about that?
Look, I don't think he's unstable. I think, though, that if I was an attorney who had been very successfully in the business of lawsuits, I wouldn't be the first one to stand up and point fingers at physicians who are working on this issue and saying they don't care about people being alive. I just think he's really carrying the wrong message for being the wrong guy at this time, so he's got to moderate it to some degree.
Congressman, good to have you with us tonight. Appreciate your time. Brian Bilbray from California.